Hello everyone. So in this video I am just going to explain you that if you have in the issue that your PC fan is running but it's not showing any display on your monitor, so how you can fix that. I will show you step by step. As you can see, the monitor is on but it's not showing the display even though the my PC is running, the fan is running. It's not showing any display here. So what we can do, there are a couple of steps you can follow to check, to troubleshoot. First, take off the power, remove the power from your CPU, and then there is a small battery. This battery, you need to take it out and you have to clean it up. Take out this battery and use any screwdriver if you have. Take this battery out. We're gonna do that, and we're just gonna clean it up and try put it back in. Or if you have a new battery, you can use that. And sometimes that could be the reason from my previous experience. So I'm just, as you can see, the battery is, you don't know how much it's used. If you have a new battery, yeah, after taking out the battery, press the power button for a couple of times and like for 5 seconds, then it will clear all the memory or the whole line. So as you can see, I'm doing it 3 4 5 times. Do it exactly the same way, and then you can clean the battery, and then put it back in. Just doing now. Yeah, you have to push it down here. You can feel it is fully in. The second thing is usually happen because of the RAM. Sometimes the RAMs are not communicating properly. So take off the RAM, clear it up, like just wipe it down. Maybe sometimes there is some dust. Because of that, it's not communicating properly with the system, and then it's throwing you the error or not running or starting your PC. Just do with both RAMs. If you have both RAMs, just do with both. If you have one RAM, just do with one RAM. And also, like on the other side, make sure all the wires or connection are fully in. Sometimes if there's anything missing, it's not gonna turn it on. Just run the fan. Like so now, you can power your PC, and then it's running the fan automatically. And then just let it run first, and then you can turn it on by pressing the power button on on your PC. So now, as you can see, it's fully powered. Make sure you plugged in, turn it on. Okay, and now you're going to power. Just press the power button. After following all those steps, press the power button, and once you can see the light, and you will hear this fan noise as well. It's running now. You can tell it's turning on. Sometimes it just do it too. As you can hear the noise, it's more louder than before. So now you can see it's starting. So that's a good sign. When the fan noises are louder, when the both fans run at the same time and it's louder, you know it's turning on. As you can see, it's showing the display now. It's showing the interface now. It's gonna load the whole system. But once you see the the initial startup, you know it's good to go. It's gonna start up now. I hope you like this video, and if you have any more questions, anything happening with your PC, do let me know in the comments below, and I will try to make the video on that issue, on your issue. Thank you very much.